Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I brought my Beretta out today. You guys might have seen the cleaning video I've done on this. It is one of my more popular videos, so I thought I'd bring it out and let you guys see how it shoots. I have a target set up out here. It's about 7 yards. I'm going to go for this target on the right, and we'll see how well we do at this distance. So I've loaded 10 rounds in here. These are 124 grain, 9mm. So here we go. All right, so let me get you off the tripod here, and we'll go check out our target. And there we go. I didn't get every one of them in the tape, but maybe. I got a couple there and a couple there, so there's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 of them didn't make it. And this is where I'm shooting. So that's it for now. And I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a short little video, but you know, as the Beretta 92 or the M9, the only thing I've really done to this is the grips. You can see there. They look really nice in the sun. They feel good. They're thinner than the originals. So there you go. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments you have down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer any of them that come up. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.